welcome. This is John, and this is the Blindcaster Show. And today, in this episode, I'll be sharing my tricks, or shall I say, the method of my runarounds with the application called GOLDWAVE. This is an audio editing app, and I'm going to share, as a blind person, how to audio edit. Alright, so first let me just give you my objectives. Number one, I want to share this tutorial, this quick and easy guide, to those who are beginners with the audio editing. Alright, the younglings, or the upcoming podcasters and YouTubers, bloggers, adding to their abilities the audio editing. So for the beginners, the neophytes, this is for you. Number two, I'm also dedicating this easy guide for those who are who just lost their sight, who just lost their vision, and I am very much positive that this tutorial will somehow distract their minds with their vision loss. Alright, so that's number two. So number three, for let this tutorial, consider this tutorial as a refresher for those intermediate users, or those intermediate audio editors out there, the vision impaired audio editors, and for the hobbyist. Alright, so this is a refresher course. And for the experts, the masters of audio editing from the vision impaired community, well, I would like your suggestions, your expert comments and suggestions. And well, that's it for my objectives. Now let's get on with the easy, quick guide for GOLDWAVE. For this episode, we will be talking plainly about merging, splitting, and trimming an audio file. Alright, so let us launch GOLDWAVE. Okay.
GOLDWAVE workspace.
Alright, so when you launch GOLDWAVE app, it will direct you to the workspace, and then when you press Alt,
File submenu Alt plus
it will direct you to the toolbar. So we have Files,
Edit submenu Alt plus Effects submenu Alt, View submenu Alt, Tool submenu Alt, Options submenu Alt, Window submenu Alt, Help submenu Alt plus H.
Okay, so
System submenu space, File submenu Alt plus F.
alright, so those are the tabs on your toolbar. Okay, so we will go to that topic. We'll deal with this portion in the next episode. Alright, and if you want to go to the device control, I mean the where you will just press record, stop, pause, things like that, you just press Alt F6.
Control, record new button.
Alright, so this is the device control. So here you'll hear record new. By the way, for the benefit of the vision impaired, mainly the low vision, the partially sighted, those who can still see, still have a bit of vision. You are viewing a laptop screen, and that's it. That's on your display. All right. So
Okay.
you can see the actual interface and where my tabs are going. Okay. So again, record new.
Setup button.
Setup. So you will be directed. If you press this, you'll be directed to different categories to, you know, format the preferences, things like that.
Volume.
Volume,
Balance.
balance,
Speed.
speed.
Edit read only selected stop 0.0.
Okay.
0%. 0%.
That's the control area.
Record new button.
So let's record new. Once you press this, it will automatically record your audio. Let's do that now.
Space. Record properties. Device. Device.
It's now recording. So
Control. Play 3 button.
alright, so if you want to know if it's completely recording, just
Rewind
tap,
button. Fast forward. Record pause button.
see,
Fast rewind button.
the control area has rewind,
Fast forward button.
Fast forward,
Record pause button.
record
Record
pause,
stop button.
record stop. Alright, so let's record the file first so that it will be used for the merging, trimming, and splitting. Alright. Okay, so I recommend that before you go to the actual recording of your audio, you will give it a prompt, you know, like counting or counting 5 backwards, 5 to 1, or say ready, set, go, stuff like that. All right, so let's do this. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, end. Okay, so let's stop.
Space.
So I
Control.
press space bar, alright?
Edit reader. Play 1 button. Play 2. Play 2. Rewind. Fast forward. Record new button.
So it's already stopped. Okay, we have other controls here for the play, stop, and pause. You could actually use F9, F8, or F7. Alright, for those controls. Okay, so we want to play that. We want to play that audio we did. All right. So notice the way I've counted. All right. So I will show. I did that purposefully, intentionally, for this specific recording or this episode. Okay. So let's hit Control Home so that the cue point will go at the start of the audio. So let's play. Just press spacebar.
Record properties. Device. Device.
It's now recording. So
Control. Play 3 button.
alright. So if you want to know if it's okay. So if you want to pause it, just hit spacebar once again. And like I said, when you start the recording, when you hear record new, it will automatically, when you hit there, you hit spacebar on that point, it will record at once. All right, let's continue. Completely recording. Just
Fast forward. Record pause. Fast rewind button. Fast forward. Record pause button. Record stop button.
to the actual recording of...
Okay, if you want to fast forward it, just press arrow right. If you want to rewind it, just press left arrow. Alright, but before that, let me teach you this. You press Shift 2.
Zoom level 0.018208.
Okay, so that's the zoom level of this is good for rewinds and forwarding. Alright, so that's
okay.
Shift 1, and then if you press Shift 2,
zoom level 1.000.
okay, so Shift 2 is 1 second forward or 1 second rewind. For Shift 3,
zoom level 10.000.
okay, so that's a 10 seconder. Alright, for Shift 4,
zoom level 100.000.
okay, and then Shift 5,
zoom level 100.000%.
okay, so this is about 100%, and then Shift 4,
zoom level 100.000. Dollar.
okay, Shift
Zoom
3,
level 10.000.
okay, so let's leave it that, the 10 seconder. Alright, so let's play it again.
Your audio,
So we want to forward it 10 seconds. Okay, I'm just pressing right arrow this time.
say ready, set, go.
Okay,
So let's do this. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, end.
okay. So you heard the so we have recorded an audio sample. So that's our audio sample. Now we will move on to the audio trimming. Alright, so let's press Control Home. So you must remember your keys, alright, on your keyboard. Okay, the markers left bracket and right bracket are very useful for audio editing using GOLDWAVE. Alright,
correct.
So where you can find the left and right brackets, well, it's after the letter P. Alright, so that's after letter P, it's the left bracket, and the next is right bracket. Okay, so let's play our file.
Record properties. Device.
It's now
Okay,
recording.
let's move it forward
Play 3 button.
right to the point when we start counting.
Rewind button. Pause button.
See,
Button.
the control area.
Fast forward pause button. Record slot button.
Alright, so let's record the file so that merging, trimming, and splitting. Alright,
Okay,
okay, so I recommend go to the actual recording of your
so
audio.
just before the counting starts,
Give it a prompt.
okay, just before the counting starts, you must press, or just before any of your audio that you want to you want the unwanted parts out, just before you hit the area on your audio file where you want to have a clean start of your audio, you will press left bracket. Okay, so with this sample, just before the counting starts, I will press the left bracket.
Counting five backwards, 5 to 1, or say ready, set, go, stuff like that. Alright, so let's do this.
Excuse me.
Ready, set, go.
Start.
Okay,
111.1
so
effect.
I press the left bracket, and now after that I will press Control T for trimming.
Deleted.
Okay, so it's deleted. Alright, again, after I pressed the start marker, the left bracket, on the area where I want my audio file to start playing, I mean the clean one, the clean area. Alright, so I hit the left bracket and then I pressed Control T for trimming. Okay, so let's hit Control Home, then play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12,
Then
13,
just after the number,
14,
the
16,
final
17,
counting,
18, 19, 20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay.
Finish. 17.530. Deleted.
Okay, so at the end portion, just right after 10, or the end of any of your audio file that you want to remain, okay, you'll hit the end marker, which is the right bracket, and then you also press Control T for trimming. Alright, so now we will expect that all the unwanted parts at the beginning and the end of the audio, or the sample audio we did, are now removed. Okay, so let's press Control Home, space bar to play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, so that's a success. So that's the trimming part. Alright, now you may be asking, what if we have to trim in the middle? You know, we have to remove the parts in the middle portion of the audio file. Or we will enclose the part where the counting starts from 11 to 20. Alright, so let's play it out. You must be keen with your listening skills, alright, and you must be quick with your markers, the left and right brackets. Alright,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
there we
Start.
go.
3.820.
Left bracket,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
right
Finish.
bracket.
13 point.
Okay, so we have enclosed the counts from 11 to 20, the middle portion of the audio file. What do we do? At this, if you want to remove it, you'll just press delete and the file will be deleted. Or another way is, we will just cut this out, alright, by pressing Control X, okay, and let's put it in another untitled track. How do we get an untitled track? We have to press Control N for new.
New sound dialog.
Okay.
Quality and duration grouping. Number of channel.
So just
Help button. OK button.
press OK.
GOLDWAVE. Untitled
Alright.
2.
So there, you heard Untitled 2, and then you just press Control V, Victory, for pasting.
GOLDWAVE. Untitled 2.
Okay, so let's press Control Home to listen. Putting the cue point at the start marker, or the start of the audio, and let's press spacebar to play. Alright, so you will know if this is the correct portion that we have removed from the original one.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, so we have, and what happened to the original file? Okay, let's hear it. Just press Control Tab.
Untitled 1.
There we go, that's the track 1, and then press Control Home to go to the start of the audio, and then let's press spacebar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright. Okay, ain't that fun? See, we now have 2 files. So we have spliced the original audio into 2. Alright, so
Untitled 2. Untitled 1.
okay, so we have now 2 files, and like I said, we can that's a way to remove or split an audio file. You can also do that, let's say you want the end portion of your original file to be removed as well, or to be spliced or split. So let's do that. What you will do, play
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
left
Stop.
bracket,
3.950.
8, 9, 10.
right
Finish.
bracket.
8.160.
Okay, so we will just again press Control X. Okay, and then press Control N for new.
New sound dialog. Click Help OK button.
Shift Tab until the OK button.
GOLDWAVE. Untitled 3.
Now we have another track, another empty folder track, and then we just press Control V for victory.
GOLDWAVE. Untitled 3.
Let's hear it. I just press Control Home to put it in the start of the audio.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There we go. So we have three tracks now.
Untitled 1. Untitled 2. Untitled 3.
There you
Untitled
go.
1.
So this is the original file. Now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
it's only up to number 5. Now let's merge all of these files. So in the event that you have different files on your let's say on your music folder, what you have to do is to just press Control O.
Open sound dialog
There
file
you go,
name.
and then
Items
Shift
view
Tab
list. 01 pod music not selected 1 of 78.
so that you will go to your music files
02
like
0
this.
3 aha 5 of 7.
Okay, so once you have selected your audio file or files, because you can select multiple music or audio files, and just press enter and it will be imported directly on your workspace. Okay? So now let's do the merging. So that's Untitled 1. So it's on the end portion, remember, and not of the audio file. Then we'll be merging the correct counting. Okay, so we will go to the track 3, third track.
Untitled 2. Untitled 3.
Okay, so press Control A, select
all.
all. Anyways, let's do Control X to cut it. Alright, then we go back to the track 1.
Untitled 1.
Okay, and then before you do anything, it's the track should be at the end portion of, or I mean, the cue point should be at the end portion of your audio file. Alright, so you just press Control End. Okay, and then press left bracket,
Start.
then
Finish.
right bracket.
4.120.
Okay, and then we will press Control M for mixing or merging.
Mix dialog. Time where mix will begin. Edit selected 00.
Okay.
Preview button.
So you could preview
Time where mix will begin. Edit selected 00:00.
So
Preview button.
that's the time area, so you could preview.
Stop button.
At this point, you can now make some adjustments if you want. You could set up the volume.
Okay, volume. dB edit selected 0.00.
You can do that by
0.1 0.30.
pressing the up arrow or down arrow, or you could type whatever volume or decibels you wanted. Let's say make it louder a bit. Let's put 10.
10.0.
Okay.
10.20.
Oh, let's make it more louder. Let's try 15.
Blank 1 5 15.0 15.0 15.0.
Okay, so I think that's the maximum, 15. And then you just press preview.
Stop. Preview button. Warning, dialog volume is not in the range of -80.00 to 12.00.
Okay, so there's a limit with the volume. So maybe
mix dialog. OK button.
let's do
Volume.
12.
dB edit selected 12.00.
So the maximum here is 12. So let's listen.
Stop. Preview button.
Preview.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let's just press OK.
Stop. Volume. OK button. GOLDWAVE. Untitled 1.
Now let's press Control Home to hear everything. This is the first merging, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So notice the change of pitch or change of volume. Okay, so now it's at the end again, the end part, and then we will get the other track.
Untitled 2.
Okay, Untitled 2, and then we press Select All. Control A.
Select all.
There you go, and then Control X. Let's cut it, and then we will merge it to the original file.
Untitled 3.
Oh.
Untitled 1.
Alright, there we go. So this is it's at the end portion. Again, before you do anything, you just need to press left bracket
Start. 8
and
point.
then
Finish.
right bracket.
8.330.
Okay, and then press Control M for mix or merge.
Mix dialog. Time where mix will begin. Edit selected
Okay,
00:00.
This time let's make it let's make the volume lower. Okay,
Preview button. Stop button. Volume. dB edit selected 0.00.
so let's
Blank.
put it
Selection
at
removed.
-10 this time. So let's put
Dash.
a dash and then
1
minus.
0 10.0.
Okay, let's hear it.
Stop button. Preview button.
Preview.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
See, there's a change. Okay, you heard that.
Stop
Now,
button. Volume. OK button.
let's hit OK.
GOLDWAVE. Untitled 1.
So this is the merge track, and let's hit Control Home and play everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Alright, that's a success. So hope you noticed the change of volume from the normal then to the loud and the, of course, less louder. Okay, the quieter volume. Okay, and well, that's about it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed this one, and again, I'm dedicating this episode to all the beginners for on audio editing. For any comments and suggestions, please hit me with your messages on my Gmail account, blindcaster2020@gmail.com. That's blindcaster2020@gmail.com. God bless everyone, Be safe, be healthy, and be wise. Bye.